Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. If you sit for long hours or you just woke up feeling stiff, sluggish, or tight, this quick routine is exactly what you need. You're in the right place. I designed this routine so that in 5 minutes you'll activate your core and glutes, improve hip mobility, strengthen your stability and balance, and loosen up your wrists for the day ahead. No equipment is needed, just you, your mat, and your energy, and maybe a little bit of space to move. Most people skip mobility work in the morning, but not you. You made it here, you're putting in the work, and that already sets you apart. You're a winner. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. Make sure to stick through the end of the session to find out. I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. We're waking up the core and back muscles with this first move. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping your back straight. Hold for a second, then bring your knee and elbow together underneath. Repeat for 30 seconds, keeping it slow and controlled. This move activates your core, improves balance, and strengthens your back and glutes. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for extra stability. Advanced stretches, pause at the top and hold the stretch for an extra second. But how do you make sure the other side gets just as strong? Keep going to find out. Time to switch sides and balance it out. Now we're firing up the opposite side. Extend your left arm forward and right leg back. Keep your core engaged and your spine neutral. Slowly bring your knee and elbow together under your torso. Repeat for 1 minute with full control. By engaging both sides, we build even strength in the core, prevent low back pain, and improve coordination. Beginners, rest the back toes on the mat for support. Advanced stretches, try holding the extension for 2 seconds longer. Now that the core is fired up, it's time to activate the glutes even more. Next up, we're unlocking the hips and getting the lower body moving. Let's activate those glutes with this powerful move. Stay in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders. Lift your right knee out to the side, keeping your foot flexed. Lower it with control and repeat for 30 seconds. This move strengthens the glutes, stabilizes the hips, and improves overall mobility. Beginners, keep the movement small if your hips feel tight. Advanced stretches, add a slight pause at the top for extra activation. Think your glutes are awake? Then the next move will push them even further, switching sides to keep things balanced. Same move, other side. Lift your left knee out to the side, keeping the rest of your body still. Control the movement, don't let momentum take over. Lower with control and repeat. By activating both sides, you prevent muscle imbalances and improve lower body stability. Beginners, keep the range of motion smaller. Advanced stretches, hold the top position for an extra second before lowering. Now that the core and hips are fired up, let's loosen up the wrists for better mobility. Let's finish strong with a quick wrist release. After all that movement, we can't forget the wrists. Extend your arms in front of you. Rotate your wrists in slow, controlled circles. First one way, then the other. Shake them out gently after 30 seconds in each direction. This move improves wrist mobility, relieves tension from typing or gripping, and prepares your hands for the day. Beginners keep the circle small and slow. Advanced stretchers add finger stretches between rolls. Feeling good? Imagine how much better you'll feel with the full body stretch plan. And just like I promised, if you spend long hours at a desk, your body needs more than just this routine. I've got something special for you. Go grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning, midday, and evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and much more to keep you pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. And if you know someone who needs this, send them this routine. It could make a huge difference in their day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.